Hey folks, welcome back to the channel and welcome to my new to me 2019 GMC Yukon XL. This is the very first repair video, DIY repair video that we're going to be doing on this truck, because when I picked up the truck there were a couple things, as it was a used vehicle, that I wanted to either repair or replace, you know, just kind of make it my own essentially. But the first thing that we're going to be doing is repairing this ceiling vent. So my car has the rear air conditioning, rear HVAC system. And as you can see, the ceiling vent, for whatever reason, has gotten broken, damaged, and we're going to be replacing it with a brand new one. And there's the part number, GM22910951. And I want to show you guys really quickly how to replace these things. Now, to understand how these things are installed, I just want to show you guys the back side of this new air vent ductwork. And you can see around the side, it has the little lips or the flanges, and they are just simply twist to lock in place. And the way we're going to remove the old one is, you see it has these two little holes. They're not all the way through holes, but they're just little holes. And I'm going to use two really small Allen wrenches. I'm just going to put these guys in these little holes here. See if I can do it one-handed. If not, I'm just going to have to set you guys down. So all you need to do is something like this. Let me set you down and I'll come right back. So again, all I did was I just put the Allen wrenches in these two holes and just twisted it counterclockwise, excuse me, to get it to its stopping point, and then you can just kind of pull it down out of its spot there, and you can kind of see how the headliner here is cut out to fit the back side. And all we're gonna do, make sure I got this in the right orientation, put this new one in here, pop it in, and then we're just gonna do the same thing with the Allen wrenches. And again, I'm gonna have to put the phone down here, and then just turn this thing clockwise. Oh, maybe I can do it with my hand here. Turn it clockwise to get it locked in place. So there you go, guys. There is our very first repair on my new to me 2019 GMC Yukon. Again, here is the part number that we used to replace that ceiling vent duct, GM22910951. So with that, that is going to end this video. Hope it was helpful. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. If you're not already, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, because I've got a lot of content that, well, hopefully we don't have to make on this vehicle, but you know we will. If something breaks, I'm going to try and fix it, and I'm going to share with you guys how to do so to help you save some money from having to go to the dealership. So with that, guys, as always, thank you for watching the channel. Thank you for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.